Ready to transform your Shopify store into a trust-building, conversion-boosting powerhouse. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, the central hub for managing everything in your store. Now, navigate to the Apps section. Think of this as the App Store for your Shopify site, where you can find tools to enhance your store's functionality. Next, use the search bar to find a review app. I recommend Judge More Looks. These are both popular options known for their ease of use and comprehensive features. Once you've chosen an app, click on it and then hit the Install App button. This will grant the app permission to integrate with your store, letting it collect and display customer reviews. Time to configure the settings. Each app has its own setup process, but generally you'll be customizing the look and feel of the reviews to match your brand, and setting up automatic review request emails. Great work! Now view any product page on your online store. You should see the reviews displayed, ready to build trust and drive sales. You can even test it out yourself and leave a mock review to see what it looks like to customers. That's it. Now you're harnessing the power of social proof to grow your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.